What you doing, Vivi? Do do do. Okay, I'm leaving now. Bored.
Big boy.
I'm ignoring you.
Where you going, big boy?
Under the table.
Come back.
Never. Where do you think I am?
A big boy.
Never.
Miss out.
Uh-oh. Why are you near... nice spot to chillax.
Yes, and watch this. I'm bringing sexy back.
Yeah.
And now the boys don't know how to act.
Yeah.
They think I'm special with your fuzzy back.
Yeah.
They burning up on me, and that's a fact.
Yeah.
Kick to the chorus. Come on, girls, they want my booty. Come on, boys, they want my booty. Come on, boys, they want my fuzzy. 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 Oh yeah. Bringing it back.
That's all I gotta say. I wonder where Sam is. I wonder where Sam is.
Oh, Max,
Yes?
come over here.
Nah, I'm fine here.
Max, come over here.
Never!
Max,
No!
Max,
No!
come over here.
No!
Do I have to sing again?
Maybe.
I'm bringing sexy back.
Yeah.
And now the boys don't know how to act.
Yeah.
They think I'm special with your fuzzy back.
Yeah.
They're burning up on me, and that's a fact.
Yeah.
Hairball.
Okay. Okay, I'm leaving you. Okay, I'm leaving you.
Max, come here.
Never. I'm a free man. Leave that alone.
Max, come here.
I don't know if I want
Come
to. Don't you dare attack me.
Max, don't be so mean. I was just being friendly.
No, you weren't.
Oh, Max.
No.
Ah!
Oh, there I go.
Max,
I'm never coming back.
come back.
No. Going into the bed. And I'm staying here. I'm not moving. Leave me alone.
Max,
No.
Max.
No.
Fine, I'll go flirt with Sammy then.
Sam is being a grump-ball.
I'm leaving you.
Okay.
All this.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Sam.
Oh, that's not fair. Come on, Jim. Come on. No biting. I'm staying here.
You're missing out.
I'm just gonna stay here.
Yeah.
To be continued.